Hello everyone. Today I am explaining the basic units and derived unit. Firstly, I will clear to you the need of units. Why we need to write the units? Suppose can take an example of mass. I asked to someone, what is your mass? Then that person told to me 40. What is the meaning of 40? 40 milligram, gram, kilogram, ton, etc. So, if we put here 40 kilogram, it means the mass is in kilogram. If the person told just only the magnitude, that is 40, here is no meaning. Same is for the distance. If we told 5, 10, 15, 20, what is this? 5 meter, 5 millimeter, 5 kilometer. So you need to write the unit after the magnitude. Here two types of units, basic units and derived unit. Firstly, what is the meaning of basic units? Basic units are the fundamental units, not dependent on any factor, on any physical parameter. Or we can say derived units are derived from the basic unit. Derived units dependent on the basic units. We will see in the example. Here, 7 basic units are present. First one is time. Time is a basic unit and the symbol is S and unit is second. Length. Length is measured in meter or in, and its symbol is small m. This is the SI unit. Length can be measured in centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. But the SI unit is meter. Now mass. Mass, kilogram is measured in kilogram. Current, the unit is ampere and it is noted by capital A. Temperature, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin and it is noted by capital K. Amount of the substance that is mole, MOLE, that is the unit, and we can write as a symbol MOL. And one more is here, intensity. Intensity and its unit is candela and it is represented by CD. These are the 7 basic units. Now next, derived units, derived by the basic units. For example, area, volume, velocity or speed, acceleration, density, momentum. We will derive its symbol. We have seen the example, that is area. Area is the derived unit. It is derived from the meter. Meter is the unit of the length and we know the formula of the area is length into breadth. Here meter into meter, that is meter square, that is the unit of area. Next, volume. We should know the formula first and it is a very basic formula. Volume, length into breadth into height, meter into meter into meter, it means meter cube. This is the unit of volume. It is also derived from the meter, that is length. Next is density. Density is mass upon volume and we measure mass in kilogram and volume is in meter cube. So mass is a basic unit, volume is derived from the basic unit, and so density will be a derived unit and the unit will be kilogram per meter cube. Next is velocity. The formula of the velocity is distance upon time. Distance is again a basic unit, that is in meter. Time is also a basic unit. So velocity is derived from the basic unit. So it is also considered as a derived unit. meter upon second, it means meter per second. Next is acceleration. The formula of the acceleration is velocity upon time, v upon t, and velocity is distance upon time. We replace the v by d by t, and t is already d by t into t, it means meter upon second into second, then it becomes meter per second square. So acceleration is also a derived unit. Next is force. The formula of the force is mass into acceleration, m into a, mass is in kilogram. Again acceleration is v by t, velocity upon time. Again replace the velocity by d by t, m into d by t into t. It means all are in basic terms. Now mass is in kilogram, distance is in meter, time second into second. So the unit of the force will be kilogram meter per second square. So these are the examples of derived units. We can derive more units or more properties with the help of basic units. Thank you.